Tagalog words with dual meaning. Upo versus upo. Upo is a verb, means sit, while upo is a vegetable, noun, called bottle gourd. Buko versus buko. Buko is a noun called coconut. Buko is an adjective, means overt. Tayo versus tayo. Tayo is a pronoun, means us or we, while tayo is a verb, means stand. Ipit versus ipit. Ipit can be a noun, means hair clip, while the other ipit can be a verb, means pressed in between. Bukas versus bukas. Bukas is an adverb, means tomorrow, while bukas is a verb, means open. Pito versus pito. Pito is a noun, means whistle, while pito is also a noun, means 7. Kita versus kita. Kita is a verb, means see, while kita is a noun, which means profit. Pasa versus pasa. Pasa is a verb, means hand over, while pasa is a noun, means bruise. Puno versus puno. Puno is a noun, which means a tree, while puno is an adjective, means full. Gabi versus gabi. Gabi is a noun, which is a vegetable named taro, while gabi is also a noun, means night. Para versus para. Para is a verb, means to stop the jeepney, while the other para is a preposition, which means for. Mahal versus mahal. Mahal can be a noun or a verb, which means love. In contrast, it can also be an adjective, means expensive. Kaya versus kaya. Kaya is a verb, which means can, while kaya is a conjunction, which means because. Tala versus tala. Tala is a noun, which means a star, while tala is also a noun, which means note. Baka versus baka. Baka is a noun, an animal called cow, while baka is an adverb, means maybe. Tira versus tira. Tira is a verb, means reside, while tira can also be a noun, which means leftover. And those are some of those Filipino words with dual meaning. Sana po meron kayong natutunan ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Huwag po sanang kakalimutan mag-like, share at mag-subscribe.